There's a whole world of apps that can help you communicate, connect, build relationships, store, share, and manage documents, generate and uncover leads, photograph video, take measurements, and so much more. In short, they make your job easier. And if they don't cover something you need right now, they will soon. We decided to break these down into digestible bites so you can get an idea of which ones might work for you, or more specifically, which ones might let you put your smartphone to work for you. Open house apps like Home Pro, WalkScore, Neighborhood Scout, and Home Design 3D Gold let you create digital sign-in sheets with customizable questions, log visitor notes, export leads, create shareable single property websites, and simplify open house leads collection. We hope you found this overview helpful. A couple of notes here. This is a general overview of these categories and apps. While Stewart Title endorses helping you create a better experience and making your job easier, we don't officially endorse any of the specific apps that we've mentioned. And all the features that we talked about aren't available on all apps. Thanks for watching.